If nothing is done, this place will be uninhabitable. The local people will, won't be able to live here. It'll just be a place that will be only seasonal, a seasonal resort. And it's very heartbreaking to think. Our children, they live here, there must be a future here for them.
We have parts of the country where we have about 20, 30, 40% of the housing stock are second homes in specific villages, mainly along the Welsh coast. And in those communities, it's very difficult for local people very often to buy a house. Having a small second homes market is not an issue, but if you get to a level in which local people are unable to access housing themselves, then that becomes a problem. If people can't live in a community, then it's very difficult for that community to, to carry on, to be viable and to survive in the long term.
Yes, I can understand their concerns because obviously local people want to live in their local area and work in their local area. But at the same time, a lot of our owners are also local and they bring in a lot of revenue into the area by letting out the cottages that they've either bought or been left or acquired by some other way. There is no easy answer. I think it is a big problem. Everyone wants to live in such a beautiful area. Second homes may be only used for a few weeks a year. Very often that means sitting empty, whereas with a holiday let, we do our best to maximise occupancy and therefore maximise the revenue that's coming into the area. And I think then everyone in the area benefits.